this is the way you calculate how much you need in diameter according to the head size of the person. So I have a very small head. My head measures 22 inches. So that means I need to have 22 inches around my head. This is the vintage hat. It's on. We have it on our
YouTube
channel. Yeah, on YouTube. So, since I wanted to make sure that my hat is going to fit my head, and it doesn't really matter what the instructions say, you know, that's a generalization, but I needed to make sure that it would fit me. So, this is what you do. And this I made for my grandson. This is a baby, a newborn baby hat, and it's
the newsboy cap.
Yeah, a newsboy cap.
We'll have a video for that.
So, since I measured his head, and let's go with this one. So what happens here is that I know for sure that my head measures around 22 inches. And so what happens with that is that I really need to know what the diameter is, which is from here to there. Now we know that, and this is something you learn in school. I learned it in 3rd grade, but you know that pi, which is, this is the symbol and it's written pi, equals 3.1416, which is the diameter. So if you take the diameter here and you want to know what the circumference is, you're going to take this measurement here, and you're going to take it, let's go from here, which will be 1 and 2 and 3, and you're going to have the 0.1416 left. So that means the diameter goes around 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and you have this little piece here, which is 0.1416. Therefore, if you know what this measurement is, which is 22 inches, and you want to know how far you need to go from side to side, let me get my tape here. So if you want to know how far to go from side to side, like so, which is the diameter, we're going to do 22 inches and we're going to divide it by 3.1416. You know, 14 would be enough, but this is what happens. So now you are going to go 22 inches and you divide it by 3.1416, and you come up with 7 inches in diameter. That means that if I'm knitting or crocheting, whatever the case is, and I need to stop making it bigger, need to stop adding stitches to go around, I need to have 7 inches from side to side. And then of course I'm going to stop increasing, and I am going to just go straight and make one on each stitch all the way until the length that I want. The length is something different. That is, you measure your head from the crown to the bottom, and that's how you measure it.
It depends on the instructions of the hat too.
Yeah, it depends on
what kind of hat you're
yes.
making and stuff.
But this is to know how many
The top.
and the diameter, because when you're knitting or crocheting, it's not like you can go like this. It's kind of difficult. So this is what you do. You know that the person's head is 22 inches, and you divide it by 3.1416, and the result is 7. And that's how much you need to have in the diameter. If you want to know the radius, it will be 3.5, because it's half of the diameter. And that's it. That's the whole explanation. So math comes handy always. I use it all the time. This is very easy to do. And thank you very much for watching. Please share and
Subscribe.
subscribe to our channel. And thank you very much.